We are here in Anantara.
Anantara. This is my mommy. This is my daddy. And this is me.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me.
Hello guys. Enjoy your stay. Hello. Bye.
Tapos kabilang Lagoon na naman. Isang Lagoon, dalawang Lagoon, sa kabila, pakatanda.
Ano nga ba? Bila 5.
Black 5.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're in Anantara, Thailand. We're gonna do a tour in our room. Let's go. Come in, everyone. Okay, so when you first come in, there's a hallway and then some drawers.
Mini bar.
We have coffee. You can make coffee, but I feel like you have to
Is
use.
the mug there?
I'm trying to talk here, and then here are the mugs, and then here just put that. Okay. Okay, so when you come in, don't mind this one. So there's gonna be a TV. Don't mind that. This is our TV, and then here is the mirror area with also the desk, and then the balcony thing where you can, there's actually a connected swimming pool to a balcony, which is cool. And then we have two beds here and also an extra bed because I don't want to sleep beside my parents. And then after that, here is a seat also in front of the bed. And then when you come in here, there's actually when you come in here, there's actually a sliding door. And then there's a sliding door, which is which brings you to a place where you plancha your clothes.
Plancha your clothes. Wait, let me open. Let me see.
This is the plancha board.
Plancha board. Where's the plancha board?
This is the plancha board.
So if you want to watch the video that we stayed in Raffles Hotel, nung small pa si Alex.
Then go in the description box. Okay, so here's I don't think you should see
Safety
this
box.
Yeah, that is the safety box. For sure we won't use that because
No, we'll use that.
For what?
put our cell phone, our money like that.
Yeah, no. Okay, so this is a bench. This is also very nice, a bench. You can sit. And then this is the mirror. And then when you come in here, it's a bathroom. So there are two bathrobes here, and then slippers, and then
We already put our things there.
yeah, we already put our things, and then extra water bottles, then two showers.
Two showers. Wow.
And then the bathtub. That's what the shower looks like. And
The
then
other side.
it's the same naman.
No, it's not the same.
Yes, it is.
No, no, see? That's
Oh,
toilet.
I thought this was the another shower. This is the toilet. We have, I don't know what it is. I think those were toilet bowl. We have that. And
And
then
here's the bathtub.
the bathtub. So we have also the same things that we use to take a bath with if you prefer a bathtub. So now that
In
is
the balcony, we'll bring in the
okay.
balcony.
Time to go to the balcony, guys. So here is the balcony. Gonna now open sesame. I struggled. Anyways, here's the balcony. We
There's
have
the balcony.
two chairs and then it is connected to the swimming pool, which can go this way.
Hello!
Hi guys! Hi!
And we're also connected to the Feir's room.
Yeah, RAFA's FamTV.
Yeah. Yes, so
We'll
you
just
can-
open this one.
you
Open it,
you
open it.
can open it.
Oh, here. You just open here.
Open.
I think there's a lock there.
You can open
Open.
this way. And then
Then you can go to swim.
Asan yung tuwalya nyo doon?
Tuwalya na? Ay, wala. Hindi pa na-refilan yata eh.
Pero okay na.
Oo.
Dito ang ganda naman sa inyo, may isa pang extra doon.
Meron din kayo. Wala ba?
Ano ba yung sa ilalim?
Hindi. Sa extra bed.
this is
Wala kami.
Hi! Yan, yun yung swimming pool, oh. Sarap mag-swimming. We'll swim tonight.
This is the end of our room tour, guys, and now we're just going to do more activities in the hotel. So, see you!